Good afternoon, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Today we're going to talk about ZKX.fi. This is actually going to be powered by Starknet, the project we spoke about on the video the other day. Exciting layer 2 coming out. But it's also a project building on Starknet. So this ZKX are actually going to be apparently doing that airdrop as well at early stage with the testnet again. So it's it's never guaranteed, it's not financial advice, but we've got a wonderful opportunity again to possibly get some airdrops. So we'll talk about ZKX.fi. Trade perpetual swaps like never before. So say the testnet, I'll show you that in a minute. So ZKX, first perpetual futures DEX on Starknet with self-custody and true community governance. Basically own the exchange, what their big saying is, but the mission. ZKS is a trustless, borderless DAO. Our mission is to democratize access to global yields through our offerings to anyone, anywhere. They've got the different bits, what they're building, the trading rewards side doesn't matter on ZKX, whether big or small, you always get rewarded for your participation. Take part in the ZKX trading seasons and earn your score on the leaderboard. Liquid governance, virtual governance share are linked to both governance and protocol rewards. The more actions a trader performs on the platform, the more VGS they'll accumulate. Now, I'm also going to show you the trading bit in a minute. The more you do the trading, help them out, show the issues. Again, I think that's when you possibly get more airdrops as well. Layer 2 scaling with Starknet, like we spoke about the other day. Starknet ZK ROLLUPS powers our trading interface. This enables low trading fees, instant settlements, and fast withdrawals on the platform. Talks about novel architecture as well as a novel order book architecture with a decentralized node network optimized for high speed and high throughput scalability, which you'd expect with any layer 2. Now, the investors I found really interesting is the fact they've got Gate, Huobi, Crypto.com, as well as all the others on the screen. We've also got Starknet themselves. So there's a lot about it. Now, on their blog, it's really interesting. They give regular updates on their blog, to be honest. It's great to see. But they actually raised 4.5 million last year as a seed round to actually get started. So that was great to see the people actually believe in it. Plus, with those investors, it's got a lot of potential here, isn't it? Obviously, there's a lot of competition here. It's being featured in the media set, different parts, but also the smart contract audit partner, never mind, which is great. Now, the roadmap is something I'm always fascinated about. Actually started in 2021. Okay, and that's when it originally started with the Starknet grant. That shows how long Starknet now. Very fond about Starknet. We the other day we spoke about the Starknet and their plans, but the fact they've already given out grants literally 2 years ago, and they're literally themselves really just getting started is great to see. You can see what happened in 2022, but obviously our concerns are happening this year. You can see there the testnet release on Starknet, which is literally now. They're doing that bit. The technical papers have just come out. Launch of Starkway, the universal ERC20 bridge to Starknet. That's in the second quarter. Okay, now the third quarter is the mainnet and the token launch. So a wonderful opportunity here to hopefully get some free airdrops, as I say, but only time will tell. So what we have to do is I put some links below. You have to do certain things. So basically, you go on paris.zkx.fi. You can see here. Now, you can see here they're giving you like a $10,000 like pretend funds to play with the system. Okay, now I've linked my account again with MetaMask. Very easy and quick to do. You have to actually go on the Goalie account. It's very straightforward on MetaMask, and basically you have to do some trading. Now, I'll be doing quite a bit of this. To say it's all pretend money. It's not real. They're really obviously giving you $10,000, so it's literally just playing with it, and it's all about helping them out. Okay, so what happens is when you link the account, it takes about 5 minutes. You see on the screenshot, we are creating your account. This is only required once. Now, I say it took about 5 minutes when I've done it earlier on today, so it really doesn't take that long, and all of a sudden it just literally gets there, and you've got the equity there of that 10,000. Okay, and so it's quite straightforward. So when you've done that, now you have to go to the trade. You can see all the different bits here. You've got the different trade section on the left here. You can do all the trades here. And they offer up to leverage trading. You can see there 10x. So again, you can just play with it and do what you want with it. As I say, it's not real money, obviously. So this is where you basically familiarise yourself with their trading interface. So they offer quite a few different tailored to different experience levels. If you're a standard, if you're an experienced trader, they've got quite a lot going on their side. But obviously, it's just the testnet stage. We haven't got the earn bit here. We haven't got the home, the participate, the quest. It's literally in the testnet while people try it. Okay, and that's all their interest at the moment. Is people literally just testing the system. Okay, now they've also got to report a bug. This is what they want you to do, obviously, on the help section located in the right hand corner. Okay, so you've got a little section here. We can help there. And you select provide feedback from the drop down menu, then choose a category to share your feedback. And that's always something they really want. Now, so basically, once you've done that, you link that, then you also have to do some certain things. You've got this on the crew3.xyz, which a lot of sites use this now. You have to do certain things to, again, interact with their testnet and hopefully get their airdrop. So you've got featured quests, etc., which I've done all those now. So when you actually go on Discord, you can see here, I'm actually on the Discord here. So basically you've got to interact. You've got to seem to be working it and actually using their Discord. So basically just go along and like different parts of it. At the moment I can't send any messages at the moment, so I've literally only just got on there today. But it's actually starting the 22nd of January this year. But it's basically just all going along and selecting all the bits. So it looks like you're interacting with it. Also, you've got verification on the left. Start here. Again, a lot of this is not active yet, no access. Again, probably, one of it because I've literally just joined it. Hopefully in time we'll get it. But you've got to react to the channel. You've got to seem to be working with the community and talking with the community. So again, that's really great they're actually doing that side of it. Okay, so just do those bits, do those certain. There's not a huge amount to do. It's literally just playing with the trading. If you've never done leverage trading, you can actually just go and try it out for yourself now with that money that they're giving you is like pretend money. So you can actually just go out there, have a play with it, and you're using the system, okay? Now, their Twitter page is full of information. 52,000 followers already. It's great to see. So they're stating there literally on last Friday, ZKX public testnet is live. He said, play with it here. Okay, now I'll give you a brief walkthrough there. They're talking about different people talking about the project. It states there, this morning's tweet, another Monday, another epic partnership. They joined hands with crypto testers. And they talked about get ahead of the game and score exclusive Yakuza NFTs and future ZKX tokens. So do these tasks, get the ZKX tokens and also exclusive Yakuza NFTs. Now, when you go back to the blog, it's got a lot of information. You see there, welcome to SSN2 ZKX Yakuza. So again, hopefully give you some free NFTs as well. The more you do, I guess. It also gives you more links now to trade on ZKX, perpetual order types. It just gives you a lot of information and a complete guide of ZKX Protocol. So I say the blog, as well as their Twitter, is extremely helpful and they're very active, which is absolutely fantastic to see. You just scroll through all the different information. So, as I say, early stages. Who knows how they're going to develop and how big they'll get. But I just want to, after doing that Starknet video the other day, I just want to talk about project building on there again, the possibility of free airdrop. So it's very straightforward. This one, it's not like ones I've shown recently. You have to do quite a few tasks and quite a lot of trading. This is literally just using their testnet, okay? And hopefully just do those few simple tasks on Discord. Follow them on Twitter as well as another request. So it's very straightforward, I think. So if you want to have a go, entirely up to you. It's just worth potential there, isn't it? But obviously, there's another project that we need to give an update in about 3 to 6 months' time. So anyone who help as usual, just email me, info@cryptostrain.com. All my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out or help any way I can. Just come on here and have a play. That's basically the plan at the moment, and let them know of any bugs or issues. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.